A spoonful of sugar might be your secret weapon against hiccups. It's all about tricking your brain. This simple kitchen fix stimulates the vagus nerve, which plays a key role in controlling hiccups by sending signals between your brain and body. When you swallow a spoonful of sugar, the grainy texture overloads the nerve endings in your throat, disrupting the hiccup reflex loop and giving your diaphragm a chance to reset. It's like hitting the pause button on an annoying hiccup playlist. Next time you're stuck with those pesky hiccups, skip the water upside down trick and head straight for the sugar bowl. It's a sweet solution that's surprisingly scientific, proving that sometimes, grandma's remedies have a little more behind them than you might think.